Hello, this is your video to show you how to take your first computer test and what to do on it, how to get it and all that stuff, and then also how to upload your test to Dropbox correctly so that I can grade it. Also, what I'm going to need you to do, and I'll try to remember this, say it again in the video, I need you to put your email on the Word document that you're going to pull up so that I can email back your grade. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You're at my website already. You should be on the core page because you just clicked on this link, transformations. We need to get GeoGebra first. Okay, so you can either open up a new window and put in geogebra.org, or if you just click on the Mr. Bowers Math website here, it'll take you back to the main page, which you can just go to geogebra.org. From there, either way, when you get to GeoGebra, they changed up their website and also the kind of the software too. So you're going to have to click free software and then do a Windows install, unless you're at home and you have a Mac, but do a Windows install. And then when you click on that, you're going to click on run when that pops up down here, and you just run the install. It will install on your desktop. Okay, so once you do that and you get a GeoGebra window to pop up, then we need to go back to my website here, back to the core geometry page, and we need to download the Word document that is your test. So if you see on the core geometry page of my website, transformation and special quadrilaterals test, you want to click on this download arrow. Don't click on the name, because if you do, all it does is pull up a read-only of the document. You can't do anything to it. So we don't want that. So make sure that you just click the download arrow here, okay, and then just open it. When you do that, okay, this is what your test is going to look like here. Okay, there's 3 highlighted sections here because that's where you're going to paste your GeoGebra screenshot when you're done. Okay, so there are 3 questions on this test here. Make sure you put your name here. This is where I want you to also put your email address. So like on mine, I'm going to type Mr. Bowers, and then maybe I'm going to put my email address. Okay, and then I'm going to take the test. That way I can email it back to you. Okay, but put yours, don't put mine. Now, I'm going to lead you through the 3 GeoGebra questions here. Okay, so this first one we're going to open is called the mapping an image onto another congruent image. Okay, so in your, I have to show you where your files are. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Back to the internet. You're going to go to Dropbox.com, or again on my website, if you want to go to the main screen here. Got all this, which you'll need to do anyways because it has the username and password. So go back to my website, go back to the home page here, and then you got Dropbox.com right here. You can click on that link, and here's username, password. Okay, once you get to Dropbox and you enter that information in the upper right where it says sign in, this is the main screen you'll see. You're going to click core geometry. You're going to click on the transformation and special quad test. And then here are the files for your 3 GeoGebra questions. Okay, they're .ggbs, which are GeoGebra files. So what you need to do is you need to right click each file. You need to download it and put it in a location you can find it, your documents, desktop, somewhere, so that you have them. And then once you download all 3 of them, you're going to go to your blank GeoGebra window that's open. Mine's got something. This is one of your questions. Yours will be blank. Just go to File, Open, and open up each file. You're going to have to do 3 new windows. Okay? Or not really. I guess you can do one at a time. Okay, so I'm going to lead you through what each question is doing. Here's your first question. This is the mapping an image onto another congruent image. And so what I want you to do is, using GeoGebra, I want you to get the green onto the red and show me how you would do that. Okay, through transformations, reflections, rotations, translations. Okay, Once you get that done, you're going to hit the print screen button on your keyboard, and then you're going to paste that screenshot into the Word document. So what I would do is highlight over this first highlight here, and then paste your screenshot over it. Okay, and then there's question 1. Question 2 has to do with making a regular hexagon based off these triangles here. This move tool, by the way, if you click on that, is a little hand that grabs your screen and drags it around so you can move things around for you. You also have some zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so this question is going to have you make a regular hexagon about the origin. Okay, so it's going to look like this picture when you're done on your test. I gave you a picture of what it's supposed to look like. So you're going to follow these steps right here. That's going to lead you through how to do that. Okay, so it's a challenging question. It's kind of neat, but it does make you think about our transformations. Okay, so once you do that on GeoGebra, you're going to print screen it again, and you're going to paste your picture here. And then the last question that I want you to do is, given these two special triangles, we have an equilateral triangle here, these purple ones, and we have this isosceles right triangle. Based off of these two, what kind of special quadrilaterals can you make? All right, so you've got, can you make a rectangle? Can you make a square? Can you make a rhombus, a kite, a trapezoid? Okay, can you make any of those based off of these? And I want you to show me. Okay, so to copy these, remember what you can do is just click, make sure your mouse, this move tool selected, click on the interior of your polygon, and then just go to edit, copy, edit, paste. Oops, I don't know why that didn't work. Let me try that again. If this doesn't work, we will do, maybe I went too fast. Okay, never mind that. We'll go this route. Just click and drag your mouse to highlight the whole polygon here, and then we'll copy and then paste. Mine's not working. I'm hoping yours will. To copy these shapes. Sorry about that in my video. But anyways, that's how you're going to do that. Just select the polygon and you can copy it up here. Control C also works on your keyboard as a shortcut. Control V will paste it. But show me what kind of quadrilaterals. Also, use your text tool up here to tell me what it is. So if you make like a parallelogram, for example, you can put in parallelogram above it so that I know that you know the name of what you made, not just making shapes that look familiar. Okay? So then when you're done with that, making all the shapes you can, you're going to do your print screen again, and you're going to paste it in the Word document. Okay, now you're done. You've got all three of them in your Word doc. Okay, File, Save As, and it's going to go to your My Documents or wherever. Save your Word file with your name on it. Okay, and then once you do, we're going to go back to Dropbox, and in this same folder where you got the 3 files from, just click the upload icon here and upload your test. Okay, I hope that makes sense to you. Good luck on the test and enjoy.